Hi there, Andy here from Wearside Youth for Christ. Welcome to another assembly. Now, today's activity is a sort of an obstacle course. So the challenge is between all four of us, me, Lauren, Laura and Kirby. We've got to do a little bit of an obstacle course, some cones, some dribbling, some beanbags into a bucket, that kind of thing. And it's a race to see who can do it the quickest. Who's going to win? Who do you think?
Contender, are you ready? Yes! 3, 2, 1. Okay everyone, I hope that you enjoyed watching us complete that short obstacle course. Now, why were we playing an obstacle course? Why were we trying to finish? Why were we trying to run through all of the obstacles and throw a beanbag into the bucket at the end? Well, there's a verse in the Bible, in the book of Hebrews, chapter 12, verse 1, and it says, "Throw off everything that hinders and run the race with endurance that Jesus has set before you." So, what does that mean? What does it mean to run with endurance? That's the word I want you to think about today, is endurance. We could also use the word persevere. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard those words before in school. You might well have. And what it means is this: don't give up. Keep on going. Keep on trying. Have your teachers ever said that to you in your class before? Mine used to say that to me. I used to love doing gymnastics. That was what I was really good at school. But there were times where there was new moves when I started to learn the somersault that it was really hard and I felt like giving up because it took a long time to learn it. But my teachers, my coaches would be saying, persevere, don't give up, keep on trying, endure. Now, Christians have that same promise, that same challenge to do in their faith. They have to keep persevering, they have to keep enduring, they have to not give up, they have to follow Jesus no matter what. You know, sometimes when we watch that obstacle race that we've just done, it's easy to start. It's easy to start the race. It's so much harder to finish. And isn't that true sometimes? At the end, when that beanbag just won't go in that bucket, you want to give up. You want to think, oh no, I'll just stop there. No, keep on going. Easy to start, harder to finish. And Christians believe that they have to continue to put aside things that are not going to help them to run that race. If I'd had to do that obstacle course, carrying somebody on my back or with a blindfold on, it would have been so much harder. I don't want those things. So the Bible's saying, put off the things that stop you from running your race well. So if there's any things that are stopping me from being more loving or trying to be more kind or humble or gentle, then I need to put those things aside, because as a Christian, my whole aim in life is to become more like Jesus. So anything that's stopping me from doing that is not going to help me to run my race. So I need to put that aside and I need to focus my eyes on Jesus. And I need to run with perseverance. I need to keep enduring through all the obstacles that life throws at me. And I hope that this morning, that whether you've got sports days coming up or whatever else it is that you have going on, that in life you run with endurance. Don't be quick to give up. Keep on going. keep on trying. Whether that's in your work at school, keep on going. Even if it's in maths and it's hard, or if it's a piece of writing or your spelling you're struggling with, keep on trying. Keep learning new things. Keep growing. Don't give up. There are plenty of people around to support you. And for us as Christians, the person who's always egging us on, who's always encouraging us to go and endure, is Jesus. And for me, he is the best person to have in my corner. And he keeps whispering to me, don't give up, Laura. Keep on going. So I hope that today you continue to endure, you continue to persevere in whatever it is that you are learning, whether it's a sport or something at school or a musical instrument. Keep on going and be the best that you can be. I hope you all have a wonderful summer holidays. So from myself and all the team at Wayside Youth for Christ, have a fantastic summer, stay safe, and all I want to say is thank you and bye.